Hello, how are you guys doing? Si Real Talk once more and titignan lang natin ang statistic na nakita ko sa PNP. So, this is about theft, okay? So, titignan lang natin tong statistic na to. So, this is from 2015. Okay, let's see if I could show you guys. So, ito siya, crime statistic. So, yung blue is from 2014. Yung red is from 2015. So, once again, titignan lang natin yung theft, okay? Why only yung theft? Because isa sa mga big problems ng Philippines is theft, okay? Of course, maraming problema pero one of the big crime that you can see in the TV, in the social media is theft. So, that is one of the things na titignan natin. Okay? So, ito siya, oh. So, yung blue is 2014, okay? 2014 yung blue, red is 2015. Okay. So, this is 2014. Look at that. Look at that. 112,000 thefts. Okay? That's a lot of theft. And it came down, this is 2014, and nung 2015, naging 82,000 siya. So, bumaba. Okay? Also guys, why it's important also to study this kind of statistic is makikita mo kung tumataas ba siya o bumababa. And based on that, you can make judgment what is happening to the country. Okay? So this is 2015, huh? So yung red. And the president here is si Aquino ata eh. I'm not entirely sure but I think siya ang president dito. Let me make sure. I think si Aquino nga. Oh, yep. He's right here. Yeah, Aquino. Benigno Aquino. Okay. So this is 2015. We're gonna go now to 2016. Ito ang first year ni President Duterte. Okay? So dito tayo. Okay. Titignan lang natin yung theft ha. So 2016. Okay. Theft was 49K. Okay? Let me see if I can. Sandali lang ah. 2016. Okay. So that is right there. 49K. Okay? Compare sa 2015 na 82K, bumaba siya ng 49K. Okay? So that's a big drop. That is good. Okay? So that is 2016. Now we're going to go to 2017. Okay? Ayusin ko lang to. Okay. So 2016 is 49K. Oh, it's right there. The blue one. Okay. Ayun to pala, meron pala eh. Oh. May nakalagay dito. So, 2016, 49K. So, 2017, naging 34K na siya. Okay? So, if you look at it, pababa siya ng pababa. Which is good. Okay? Now, we will check 2018. Dali lang, ayusin ko lang ulit ah. Okay. Ito, 2018. Alright. So, from 34K, naging 23K. So, pababa ng pababa. Okay. Once again, galing to sa PNP ah. If you go in the very top, galing to sa PNP. Sa website nila to. Ayan, Annual Report 2018. Let's see. Annual Accomplishment Report. Okay. Maraming information dito eh. Like, you can really get a lot of information here. Okay. 2018. And then we're gonna jump to 2022. Okay. So, sa 2018, titingnan ko lang ulit. 23K. Now we're gonna jump to 2022. Oh. Let's see. Which one is this? Okay. Which is now 12K. Tumaas siya ng onte. Just a little. Pero mas pababa pa rin ang pababa. So that is good. Kasi, you know why I show you this? Because, and itong itong recent na to, itong 2022 is si BBM na ang presidente dito. Okay? Why I show you this is to show you na pababa ng pababa yung graph ng theft. Okay? Which is a good thing. Now, what can you think about that? May mga factors na we don't know. Okay? Na nangyayari. Kaya pababa ng pababa. Posible, one of the factors na nangyayari is the installation of CCTV. because the more CCTV there is, okay, the harder it is to steal. Yun lang ang assumption ko. Of course, there's other possibilities. Pwede rin na the police are more efficient. Pwede rin that people there is more jobs available kasi if you have more jobs, the chance of you stealing is lower. That's why it's important to look at this statistic, the graphs, and see for yourself what is going on in your country. Okay? Pero personally, I think it's the CCTV. One of the reason na bumababa ang theft is because of the CCTV. Also, the data, this is only na data that is reported to the PNP. So, siguro iba to sa like if people are not, paano ko ba to explain? If people are not reporting theft, the police cannot act on it. So the police can only act on things that they know. And if you are not reporting theft, you are not helping them. And also, kaya ko to pinakita because a lot of people are saying that nung panahon ni Duterte, okay, crime is lower. Now, nung umupo na si BBM, crime went up. But when you look at this statistic, okay, makikita mo na pababa ng pababa. Okay? When it comes to theft. Okay, I haven't compared the other data, okay? Pero when it comes to theft, pababa ng pababa. Okay? Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit hindi ito ginagamit ng mga ano eh. Maybe they have, I'm not sure. I haven't seen anybody na gamitin yung mga BBM supporter na gamitin tong data na to. Because it's very clear na theft is going down. Okay? Pero I think it's not because of BBM eh. I think it's other factors katulad na installation of CCTV. So, yeah. Yun lang naman. I just want to show you guys na studying data is good. And also, you can see what is going on in your surroundings when you look at data like this. Once again, this is from PNP, okay? This is from their website. This is their annual report. There's a lot of information about this. I mean, a lot of information in here. Papakita ko lang na it's PNP. Okay, let me see. Yep, see, 2022. Okay. So, yeah. Yun lang naman, it's quite long. Hindi ako sanay ng ganito kahabang video, eh. Usually, I try to make video mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yung pinakamahaba ako, is yung kay Kayo tsaka yung kay Melo Yap, eh, but I try to not make that long of a video. 'Cause to me, that is too long. And I'm really busy. So, so yun lang naman po. Hope everybody have a good day and peace out.